Hi friends, for this activity, you're going to create a STEM tale. You need to help Rapunzel engineer an escape from her tower. Here's a story, so listen carefully. Rapunzel is a girl with very long hair. She has been trapped in a tower for many years. Sometimes people come to visit her. She lets her hair down for them to climb up to her window. It hurts when someone climbs up Rapunzel's hair. She is fed up. Rapunzel does not want to be in the tower anymore. She does not want people climbing on her hair. She wants to see the world and have fun. Here's your challenge. Rapunzel has been locked in the tower for too long. She needs you to rescue her. Can you help her? She needs an engineer. Here's your challenge, engineers. Engineers must plan and carry out investigations. What you will need. Rapunzel's tower is about the height of your chair, the chair that you sit in. When you are testing your invention, use your chair. Your only materials are tape, scissors, glue, string, or paper. Here are the Rapunzels. You'll each get one of these Rapunzels, and you need to create a way for Rapunzel to get down from her tower or your chair safely to the ground so she can go out and have fun in the world. Good luck and have fun.